Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Yeah, I got two Sundown Audio X10 D2s, two Orion XTR 2500.1s, one for each sub. And underneath all that, I've got a JL Audio /400 running Alpine Type R mids and eyes all the way around. And two Group 34R batteries in the back, Optima red top up front, and a Hyogen 300 amp alternator.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
So pretty loud no wall then.
For 210s?
Yeah, for 210s, yeah.
I did a 161.3 in the port.
In the port, 60s,
yeah,
awesome.
in the port.
Did you ever meet her up front?
I metered up front at Ben Lineback, Extraordinary Audio.
Yeah.
He done mine.
Okay.
I did a 148.6 at his shop.
Okay.
Which
really?
is for 210s. I was happy with 210s.
Heck yeah, man.
So
awesome.
Yeah. If you want to open the door?
Sure. It does better with doors open?
I think so. I think it sounds better.
Okay. Sure. Awesome.
I'm gonna play a little bit of this music and I'll just go to the end of this song because there's a sweep at the end of it.
Okay.
It sounds really good.
Sure.
happy with it for 210s.
Awesome, dude. Dude, that was pretty cool how the ending was on that song.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Like,
so it gives you like a bandwidth.
Yeah,
see
yeah.
your lows
I
and
was
your
missed it one day. I was like, oh, that's cool. I gotta remember that.
Yeah, you gotta remember that. Yeah, that's a
it's-
good one to show people.
Yeah, it is a
awesome.
real good one. Yeah, but that for 210s, I'm very happy.
Yes, sir.
With it.
Could I
Yeah.
see the back?
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
open it up
Yeah.
for video
course.
or look it around.
Yeah, man.
And you said you had a high output alternator. If I could see that too.
Yeah.
I like to check out everything.
Yeah, no problem, man.
Stop by and look 'em. Appreciate it, man. And a Kia.
Yeah, Kia Soul.
Okay, Kia Soul.
Everybody always asks me, what's in here? So I got a license plate.
Sweet. 210s. I like it.
I love it.
And you still have your back seats at full
Yeah.
up?
Oh, yeah. I just got them down for
Yeah,
heat.
that's right.
You know,
Circulation, plus you can showcase the amps.
Exactly.
Awesome.
Yeah, I saw you at sundown. I missed you at sundown.
I was at sundown, yes, sir. Sorry.
Oh, no.
There's your alternator. Yeah, we were at sundown, and then we had this show. There was a couple others. We went to Slam Fest in Florida too.
Yeah. We're going to Collinsville, Virginia in 2 weeks.
Virginia?
So,
Oh, that's a long drive for me.
Yeah.
We live down in Georgia, Savannah.
oh, yes,
Yeah, this was a 5-hour drive for us.
Oh, my gosh.
Yeah.
It's about 2.5.
2.5? That's not too bad. What was your name?
Sam.
Sam, Jacob. Nice to meet you,
Nice to
man.
meet you, buddy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Great demo.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.